Hey everyone, AKM is here. Today I will show you how to create a multi-step form in your WordPress website by using a free plugin called FormGent. Multi-step forms are great when you have a lot of questions and want to keep it engaging, so you break it into few steps to prevent people losing interest in the process. It reduces boredom and boosts engagement, and users are more likely to finish it. So today I will show you how to start from scratch as well as using AI. Let's jump in. Okay, so let's start with the installation of FormGent. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugin, then add new. In the search bar, type FormGent. Click the install button to install the FormGent free plugin and then activate it. After the activation, you are good to go. So today I will show you two ways to create this multi-step form. First, I will do it manually from the scratch, and then I will demonstrate how to do it from the AI form builder within a few seconds. So this will give you a clear understanding of this tool. To do that, let's go to the FormGent menu on the left side of the WordPress dashboard. Select all forms and then click create new. This will give you three more options. For now, we will choose start from scratch. This will open the manual form builder for you. After clicking this, you will see two more options. Classic form, which shows multiple questions on one page, and conversational form, which displays one question per page. As I'm creating a multi-step form, let's choose classic form. Now give your form a name and click create form. You are now inside the form builder with a blank form. Now let's start creating it from here. Now I will add some fields to this page, such as name, email, phone number, address, and file upload. Then I will drag and drop the page break block to make this form a multi-step form. So far, this is the first page of my form. Now let's edit this page, and then we'll move on to the next page. For name, I'm keeping the default setting. Then for the email section, let's make it required and skip the character limit option. Then I will enable the email confirmation field and display the email icon, which will help me to get the authentic email leads. Now for the phone number, let's make it required and enable the option to show the country code or automatically detect the country. I'll choose the country code to keep it simple and visible. For the address section, I'll keep the default setting. And for file upload, I will rename it to upload your resume. Limit the file size to 5 MB and keep the default setting as it is. On the page break, I will rename the next section of the form to step 2 job related details. And I'm done with my first page of the multi-step form. Now let's work on the second page. For this page, I will use one drop-down menu, two multiple choice questions, and one single line question. Let's customize it according to my preferences. First, I will change the drop-down question to which position are you applying for, and add some option from the right side of the menu. Next, for the first multiple choice question, I will include some options to choose from. I can either add those options from the main form or use the menu on the right side. For the second multiple choice question, I will implement conditional logic to see if it works properly. If the answer is yes, the user will receive one additional question in this section. Like if the answer is no, no further question will be shown. To set up the logic for the next question, I will select the relevant question and go to the right side to click on the logic option. In the logic setting, I will specify show why are you considering a job change if are you currently employed contains yes. This way you can add as much logic as you want. So part 2 is complete. Let's move on to the part 3. For that, I will add one more page break and rename it to step 3 final details. Now we'll move to the final part of the form. In this section, I'll be choosing a single line text entry, a drop down option, a multiple choice question, and a signature field. Let's customize those elements as well. The customization for all the question is similar to what we did in the previous section, except for the signature. So this option allows us to choose how the signature can be provided by drawing, typing, or uploading an image. So I'll select all three options and set the signature as a required field for form submission. Next, let's add a final page break and rename it Submit for clarity. This will be the last part of the form. So when you click the next button, it will automatically submit the form. So there is no need to use the submit button in the form. Let's customize the look of the form. First, go to the design and share tab. From here, you can turn the sharing option on or off and choose to show or hide the cover image of the form. You can choose any solid or gradient color for the cover image or upload a cover image from the media section. So here you can also upload your logo. Additionally, you can decide whether to display the form title. At the bottom of the settings panel on the right side, you will find the option to share the form with anyone. Remember to preview the form on mobile, because most of the people actually complete it in their mobile devices. Before publishing, let's review some of the general setting on the right side of this form. If you have the Pro version, you can remove the FormGent branding in the general settings. In form confirmation, you can customize what users see after submitting, such as a thank you message or redirect to any URL. Additionally, you can enable or adjust email notification to receive alerts when someone submits the form. A webhook option is available, which we'll discuss in our future tutorial. The latest version introduces a quiz feature, allowing you to enable and customize it as needed. Finally, there are embedded and custom CSS or JS options for developers interested in deeper customization. Once you are satisfied with everything, click Publish. You will receive the shortcode and embed code from the All Form section. For a direct link, preview the form and copy the URL to share with others. Use the shortcode inside any page or post and your form will be visible. Here's how. Simply copy the shortcode from here, open any page or post, select the shortcode block and paste it. Then save the page, and in the preview you will see your multi-step form. Now here's the bonus part. If you want to build a form even faster, FormGent has an AI form builder. So to use it, go to the Create New, then click Create with AI and choose AI Classic Form. Now type what kind of form you want. For example, I'm giving a prompt in this field to create the form. So I already have this prompt, so I'm just copy and paste it. Then click Generate Form and boom, your entire multi-step form is ready in seconds. From here, you can tweak it just like we did before. That's how you build a multi-step form manually or with AI using FormGent. Whether you are a beginner or just want to save time, FormGent has you covered. If this video helped you, be sure to like, comment and subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorial. I'm AKM signing off for today, and I will see you in the next one.